Hello everyone, welcome to yet another 2-Minute Tuesday. This week, of course, we're going to wrap up the series that we started a few weeks ago by looking at the numbers between Q2 of 2017 and Q2 of 2018. Once again, if you don't know what I'm talking about, go ahead and watch the last two tips of the series, because we're talking about, how can you find the records that we were wanted to see within opportunities, and also how can you find records from a specific custom date range within 2 separate years, which is what we have right now, what you see on your screen. So we have a list of 31 opportunities that were created or that are estimated to close on Q2 of 2017 and Q2 of 2018. How do we compare the numbers year after year to see how we perform? Well, there are several ways to do this. Honestly, I think the easiest way to do it is with Excel if you're a user, because more than likely, if you're a non-administrator, if you're a regular user, you're not going to be creating charts and dashboards and doing all of these complexity just to get a quick analysis of how you did from the year before to the year after. So let me show you how to do this in Excel. Let's start the countdown and let's go. So super simple here. We have a button called Export Opportunity. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. So that just opened an Excel spreadsheet. It opened in another screen. So let me go ahead and move it to this screen so you can see it. I'm going to go ahead and enable editing. But here's the data that we have. Now, you might not need all this data. Like, for example, we might not need probability, but that's the beauty about Excel. Once it's in Excel, you can manage it. As you can see, I just removed a column. If you don't need something, just get rid of it. But the beauty of it is you can always go into Excel and insert a chart. Look at all of these different things that we have, different options that we have. You can compare win and loss. I mean, there's just a ton of functionality here. This is not an Excel channel, so I'm not going to go into all that detail. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a pivot chart and I'm going to go ahead and open it up. So here I'm going to say we're going to sort by estimated close date, and we're going to look at the money. So as you can see, we did better in 2018 compared to 2017. But I'm going to go ahead and remove quarters from the list because I just want to see it by the year, for example. So I'm going to expand this thing right here. And I can see it by the year. I can see it by the month. As you can see, let's go ahead and add the years again, just so we can compare month by month. And, you can see right here in April of 2017, we did a little bit over 4 million. But, man, 2018, we killed it, not 18 million in, April of 2018. Then May was pretty similar. We still did better in 2018. And 2017, again, massive improvement on opportunities from 2018, the same month. So here we can compare month against month from the year before to the year after. Obviously, if you go even beyond there, you can start sorting by quarter. You can start sorting by, by week. However you want to see it, you can play with it. I just think that this is an easier way to do it because a lot of the users will have, a black belt in Excel, whereas they are not as proficient inside of Dynamics 365. So if you need to compare year to year, month to month, whatever, it's a lot easier to just export to Excel, import or insert one of these charts and work with it. I hope you enjoyed the tip this week. Again, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel and share it with your colleagues. And we'll see you next week.